my YouTube fam. What's up, my diadems, my jaws? Hi, how are you? Hey, you know what? I um I have been wanting an air fryer. I have been wanting an air fryer, and I said I was gonna buy one, and I didn't buy one. And you know what? That was God's will, because my daughter gave me hers. Well, she didn't give it to me because right now she can't use it because of her journey, like I told y'all, that she'll talk to you about. So I get to use the air fryer today. And what I wanted to do is I wanted to share with you guys on how to use it and what it really looked like, what the food looked like. Because I'm like, how you going to air fry some chicken and it look like, um, and it looked like it has been fried? After it's done, it's supposed to look like it's been fried, but you don't fry it. There is no grease. So I wanted to share that with y'all so y'all can see, so we can go on this journey together with this air fryer and see how it worked and see just what that chicken really look like when it get done. So what I have some wingdings. I have some wingdings that I took out this morning before I went to church, and they all thawed out. And I was getting ready to do it, and I was like, hold up, er, share with your people. So, what I did was I already seasoned them, but I'm gonna let y'all see them. But first, look at my little cute tissue box. Faith, family, and friends. I know, guys. It was just so cute. I was like, I want that tissue box. I know, side note. Anyway, okay, come on back. So, let me show y'all this air fryer. Let's go. Okay. Here's the chicken. I already seasoned. I got my seasoning on the chicken. I didn't put nothing else except for seasoning on it. See? Chicken wingdings. That's all I got. And I don't know how many. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 10 of them in there. And so here is the air fryer. There it is. And this is the power, heat on, the minutes, the timer, and this is the temperature. So I got it on 375. Shoot, I should put it all the way up, but I got it on 375. She said she usually cook hers on 350. And so this is the pocket cup or whatever, and it goes in here. And you just close it, and it snaps. And so I was trying to figure out, look, at first I was up here pressing these buttons. I'm like, why these buttons they not coming on? So that's not the way it's supposed to be. So what you have to do, you set it on your, the time you want first, which I put mine on 375. And now you have to put it on how many minutes you want. And so I put it on 50 minutes. And so after you do that, that's when the power light comes on. And now it's cooking, y'all. It's cooking. So it is cooking. My air fryer is on for 50 minutes. And I'm going to see. I'm going to see what it do. I'm going to see what it look like. I'm going to see what this chicken, if the chicken is going to be crispy when it get done, when it get out. And I'm going to let y'all see it. This ain't going to be no long video. This is only about how to use an air fryer. So I'm going to come back with y'all. I'll get back with y'all after it get done. All right? I'll see y'all in 50 minutes. Bye. All right, y'all. It has been more than 50 minutes. It went off a few minutes ago, but I was washing clothes, so I had to handle my business. So the air fryer is done. I was tempted to open it up to see what it looked like before I showed it to y'all. But since we doing how to, and we just gonna open it up and see what it look like, I just said I'm just gonna do it with y'all. So here we go. Okay, that's what it looked like. Let's bring it over here. I'm gonna touch it. Oh, y'all, it's crispy. Y'all hear it? It's crispy. Y'all heard it when I dropped it? It is, the chicken is crispy. It's not, it's hot. It's still hot, but remember it's been sitting here for like about an hour and a half. Oh, maybe I left it in there a little bit too long. I'm gonna taste it. Let me see. It's good, y'all. Wait. I'm gonna set y'all down somewhere. I left it in there a little too long, I think. It's just a little dry. Probably because after it got done, when it went off, I should have took it out. Oh, but that part better. So, it did good. It did good. I'm getting a plate with one hand. No. Yeah, it did good. It's cool. I can do that. So next time we'll get some bigger meat. Let me show y'all what it looked like on the inside. See, that's what it looked like in there now. Did that come apart? No, that don't come apart. I don't know if that come off, so I have to figure out how that come off and clean it. Well, yeah, it look almost like a grill. So there's the chicken, guys, from the air fryer. But I think maybe next time I won't do it on 50 minutes. I'll do it on like 45 minutes like Net told me to. Because this meat wasn't that thick. So maybe I left it on a little bit too long. But it's good. It's not like real dry. I'm talking about maybe for the color. And I think a lot of that is the seasoning. But it's good. I did. Air fryer. That was good. That was good. The seasoning is good. Me and this thing might be best friends. And the meat didn't take long to cook it all. So, there was the example of how to use this thing. Let's put it back in there. Air fryer. Yes. So, if you don't have your one, go out and get you one. Because I hear it's supposed to be really healthy because you got some fried chicken without the grease. And that's what we talking about. We talking about wellness, Michelle. So, that's what's up. But thank y'all. Go get you one. Peace.